everyone, and welcome to the Monday Minute, where we share tips and tricks on how to make your experience with SenSource's people counting system the best that it can be. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Don.
In today's world, it seems harder than ever to find good customer support. Most of us dread the thought of calling an 800 number and being put on hold and getting the runaround. But it won't be that way when you reach out to SenSource. And let's see why. We are so proud of our support department. Every time we reach out to customers for testimonials, they always comment on how helpful and friendly our team is. And if you've ever called in, you may have spoken with Don. He's one of our tech support specialists. You've been with SenSource for a while, right?
Yes, I've been here for 11 years. I've seen a lot of the evolution of the sensors over that time. There's very little that my team hasn't seen before. We're always ready to help.
To keep that continuous communication between our customers and Don and the rest of the support team, we've developed a robust support ticketing system. And you can access that system in two ways, through email or through the platform.
To submit a support ticket by utilizing your own email without logging into any platform, all you need to do is send an email to service@sensourceinc.com. As our support techs reply to your ticket, you will receive an email response that you can reply to directly. You will also receive email notifications of any support ticket status changes. Should you have any attachments, you can include them on your email and they will automatically be attached to your ticket.
If you prefer to use our ticketing platform, simply go to support.sensourceinc.com and log in. If you're a first-time visitor to the site, you'll need to register for an account using your email address.
Once you are logged in, you will be able to submit a new ticket. You can also see every ticket associated with your email that has been previously submitted. If you have multiple employees within your organization using our platform, you will be able to see their tickets as well. Regardless of which route you choose, our support team is on standby and ready to assist you with your people counting system.
We hope you found this video helpful as you continue to use our system. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any upcoming tips and tricks from SenSource. Thanks for watching.